So how is it that you as a man have power if you're designed to serve the power here? That's what gives you a real erection. That's what makes you a man. Your definition as a man is to serve Dharma. That's what makes you a man. That is your function. You have been designed to serve Dharma. And here you are not serving Dharma and you're serving this thing. So that makes it that you're by default not a man. Now, you may not understand this because you're confused, and then you may say to yourself, listen, this because for you, reality is the system. And then you're going to say, how do I get to the top of the system? Which we've discussed before, and I respect your thought process. So I'm going to get myself money, and I'm going to get myself success, and I'm going to put myself in a position of power within the system. It doesn't matter if you would reach the top of the system. This system is foreign to your nature. It will never accept you because you are nothing but a slave. You're an animal. You're a human resource that it uses. What does it matter? It uses you at the top or it uses you at the bottom. It's using you. So when you are going to interact, let's say you rise in the so-called ranks of this hierarchy of zoo, okay? So yeah, some women are going to want to suck on your dick and they're going to want to have business with you because you can provide for them. Remember, that's all you are. You are a provider for her. She's going to jump on you to have access to the so-called wealth that you've acquired. Yeah, why not? She's going to use you. That doesn't mean that she's unlocked her womb potential. That means to give birth to life. And when I say life, I'm talking about the underlying reality, to serve that underlying reality. Remember, she's not taken as hostage. She ran to his dick, right? It doesn't matter. That's what woman nature is. She ran to it. So her true potential with your demise got locked. It doesn't mean that her womb doesn't work. It does. At the level that creature or that new God of hers operates. But that God doesn't operate at her full potential. So now when you're interacting with her, you're always interacting with his bitch. He's renting it. He's renting her to you. That's what you don't understand. So you think you're the man because you got like 8 girls that are loving you. I'm like, no. You're renting these girls. They belong to him, whoever that him is, which is another conversation we should have at some point. They're his because he's the authority in that reality, not you. And furthermore, because you're not plugged into your actual power, you will never unlock her potential. I'm not saying she can't do something. I'm saying whatever she's doing is the expression of her disease, her suffering, because she's not herself. And you're unable to unlock her potential because you're not plugged into the power you're designed to be plugged into. So what the fuck?